Hello everyone. In today's lecture we are going to see AutoCAD tutorials. First we will see the introduction, how to introduce or how to open this AutoCAD. First let's see tutorial 1, what is AutoCAD, how to start AutoCAD 2017 or it may be 2018, जो वर्जन आपके पास हो. Firstly we will go to start, then all apps, then this Windows 7. If you are working in Windows 7, to start a new document click quick access toolbar or new. On the select template dialog select Akedisso and click open. Now let's see what are these 3 points are saying we will perform on AutoCAD. First we will go to start. This that AutoCAD look like this when you first open. Now you can go to start drawing. The first page will open like this. These are grids. It will taking some time. Now this is cursor or we can say the pointer. We can increase its size. This is command line and this is home. Now we will open a new file. Go to new, then go to file name. These will options, these will show all this. Now Akedisso, open. Your new drawing will open here. Layout 1, layout 2 or model. We will choose model. Now go to this. The components of the AutoCAD user are shown in this type. First application menu. This we will call application menu. This is in canvas control. This is user coordinate system, UCS. Drawing file type. Drawing will show drawing file type. Tab, ribbon button, pointer, view cube, navigation bar. This is status bar. This is command line. Now on the status bar click workspace switching drafting notation. These are drafting notation, annotation, 3D basics. We will choose which type of work we want to perform. On the status bar click the grid mode icon. If you want to switch on the grid or switch off the grid as per your wish, you can switch it on off or switch it on by goes to a model. I am closing these all drawings. Just want to work in drawing 3 or drawing 3. Now if you want to decide unit in command lines, then we will perform like this. Go to command, then type UN for units. It will taking time. You will perform units, UN, U for units. Then choose decimal or architectural, precision 00 millimeters. Now okay, units is confirmed. We will go and the unit will show in decimal. And if you want to increase this cursor size or decrease, then go to click on the right of your mouse Let's see. Right click and select the option from the shortcut menu. The option dialog appears on the screen and it allows you to change the setting of the user interface and various functionalities. On the options dialog, click the selection tab and set the pick box size as shown. Click OK to close option dialog. Now I will perform this all 3 points in AutoCAD. First, click on the right of your mouse, then go to option. Now I want to decrease and increase the size of pick box size, cursor size, this. Okay, now you can see the size of your cursor is increased. Now if you want to decrease, go to same procedure, and now you can decrease also the size of your pick box. Okay, now it becomes like this. Now third point, due to inserting hand sketches. How in this tutorial you will insert the scanned images of hand sketches. Download the reference files from the companion website and unzip them. On the ribbon, click insert tab, reference panel, attach. On the select reference file dialog, set the file type and as all file images. Go to the location of the reference file and double click on the ground floor. On the attach image dialog, check the specify on screen option under the insertion point section and then click OK. Let's perform this all points. What are they saying? First we will go to insert, then in reference box we will go to attach. Now choose these files from where you want to choose, from documents or from favorites, from desktop, from anywhere. I want to choose from documents. Like this. I want to choose from documents. I will choose types of form work. This image I will choose. Now open. You can choose form work or name, or again you can browse from the desktop or document. Now relative path or full path, which path you want. I will choose relative path. Okay, now specify insertion point where you want to insert this image. I want to insert here. It will look like this. Now the image of MS Word or desktop or documents are carried from there in AutoCAD. Now you can increase or decrease its size or back or corner color. Or you can edit or scale it from as you want. Now in this lecture we have seen the introduction, how to start AutoCAD. What are these all called? Pointer, command line, UCS, coordinates, status bar, pointer, ribbon. Then we see how to open or close grid mode and perform units. And in second tutorial we have seen how to insert hand sketches or any image. Now in the next lecture we will see some important commands in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching and keep supporting guys, sharing with your friends.